A bird is flying with a constant velocity of 2 meters per second. The wind changes direction and causes it to undergo an acceleration of -1 meters per second for a period of 10 seconds. Calculate the displacement of the bird and the distance it has travelled after 10 seconds. So if we let u be equal to 2 meters per second, because the initial velocity is that, a is -1 meters per second, so it's acting against that velocity. T, it acts for 10 seconds, and we want to find the displacement. So if we use S is equal to ut plus a half at squared, we're going to get that S is 2 times 10, 2 times 10, plus a half times -1 times 10 squared. That's going to give me 20 minus 50, which gives me -30 meters. So the displacement is -30 meters after 10 seconds. That means it is 30 meters behind its starting position. Okay, for distance, we need to draw a diagram. It's very important that you do draw a diagram so you can actually see what's happening. So we've got a bird. The bird goes forward and then it will go backwards and end up -30 meters behind where it starts, which is there. Okay, so its initial velocity is 2 meters per second to -1. Now, when it gets to this particular point here, it momentarily stops. So the velocity will become equal to 0, and then the wind will force it to go backwards. So A is -1 meters per second squared, acting against this velocity. And the total distance is this distance and this distance. So, finding the S when V is equal to 0 meters per second. So we're finding this distance here, basically. We're going to use V squared is equal to U squared plus 2AS. So V is equal to 0. So we've got 0 is equal to the initial velocity squared, that's 2 squared, plus 2 times -1 times S, which is equal to 4 minus 2S, which means that 2S is equal to 4, therefore S is equal to 2 meters. So this is 2 meters. So that's 2 meters. This is 2 meters. And then this is 30 meters. Right, what is the total distance travelled? Well, that's going to be 2 plus 2 plus 30. So the total distance travelled is 2 plus 2 plus 30, which is 34 meters. So this has been a video to show you how to find the displacement and the total distance travelled by a moving object. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.